My name is Victoria, and I have recently moved to Barcelona. I now live in a lovely flat in El Gótico, and in my flat I have a really nice terrace. Now, all alongside the terrace, I have a planter. And because I'm only here for a few months, I wanted to do a quick and easy gardening project. A friend of mine told me about this app, GardenEase, where you put in what you want to get out of your garden, like, I don't know, a project with your children or fresh food, shade, or what have you. And then you put in what your space is like. Like, say you want to do something, I don't know, in your bathroom or in your living room or in a balcony, a patio. And so you put in what you have, and then because of magic, you have a project. So let's check it out. Uh, So my goal is I want some fresh food because I really like cooking. I want some privacy because my terrace is quite exposed, and maybe some healthy eating. Let's try it. Yeah. Okay. So like I said, I have a terrace and it's a sunny terrace and it is north facing. Is it north facing? Let's say it's north facing. Okay, next. Okay, we are in Barcelona, which is quite a dry and sunny climate. And let's see what we get. The little woodpecker's doing its work. Okay, so we have a vertical vegetable garden. For my sunny terrace, we have fresh produce, added privacy. Amazing. This is what I would look like. And a healthier lifestyle. It takes 2 weeks because it's great. Okay, I can get it done before Christmas. Let's go a bit down. Okay, vertical vegetable garden. I can cultivate variety of vegetables. And these are the vegetables: lettuce, radishes, basil, strawberries, some cherries, peppers, and spinach. Amazing. Okay, if we keep on going down, I get the items that I need. The quick to follow method. And done. Some garden centers in Barcelona. Let's see. Okay, there's one in Universitat, which is quite near where I live, so I could go there. Okay, let's save this in my project so I can look at it later. Right, thank you. And now if we go to my project, I also used this site when I lived back in London. And this is, I didn't have a garden out there. I just had a kitchen. It was very sunny, very nice. So it suggested that I did a kitchen windowsill herb garden, which I followed it down to the T. And so what I did, it was like growing your classic like broccoli, parsley, and chive seeds. So you grow them on the side, and when they're not fully like big plants, when they're like little seedlings, you can just chuck them in your food, and they have the same amount of nutrients as the big plant. So I did this, and you can follow along. I added the process, so you can see I had it on some pancakes. And I don't know about you, but when you look at your garden, like it looks exactly the same every single day. But as time goes on, it changes a lot. So it's nice to see on one single page how the process of everything that I worked on. So yeah, so if you like it, I suggest you sign up while it's still free. And I want to thank Matilda and Sammy for working on this with me.